Watch full video. Don't miss any step. The tricks for fast bowlers and spin bowlers can be quite different. It's important to keep in mind the unique challenges and techniques that each type of bowler faces. Watch full video carefully. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if these tricks works for you. Field setup is more important than bowling copy-paste this. In your game, always bowl on a good length and aim to turn the ball towards the wickets. Arm ball against left-hander with slow speed.
बॉल हो गया इनसाइड एज, बहुत बड़ा झटका, बल्ले का अंदरूनी किनारा और बॉल जा गिरी स्टंप पे, बेस गिर गई.
Same trick against left-hander.
घेर लिया है बैट्समैन को. क्लीन बॉल.
फिर वही गलती कर बैठे, ठीक तरह से पढ़ नहीं पाए. ये ठीक गिरने के बाद अंदर आई लेफ्ट हैंडर के और सीधे विकेटों से जाके टकराई.
Fast bowling trick is different than spin. Watch properly. This time we will bowl slower Yorker.
ये गेंद ऊपर गई है पर ज्यादा दूर नहीं. बाहरी किनारा और आउट.
For new batsmen, keep bowling slower Yorker spontaneously.
अपने चक्रव्यूह में.
Keep in mind that is only field setup which I have provided.
और ये बॉल बल्ले. दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण विकेट.
If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to ask. Your satisfaction is my top priority, so feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for your love and support.